Hey, you guys, what's going on? Roy Castillo here once again. Hope everything's doing well with you guys. And what I'm going to be going over today is going to be an activation process. So let's go ahead and get started by selecting Quick Sell, followed by selecting activation all the way to the left side and the type of activation that we're going to perform. This is going to be a new activation. Now we're going to go ahead and fill in all of the blanks with the first name, the last name, a PIN. If you do have a PIN, since this is a new activation, you might not. And then, the serial number. So you're going to go ahead and scan the serial number, select the carrier that you are running the activation for, and the plan that goes with the phone. So let's go ahead and select $60 unlimited data plan. And we're going to go ahead and select any add-on for this particular activation. You're going to see the device description that we're about to invoice, the regular price, and what you end up selling it for. What does this mean, guys? This means that once you have your account set up, if there's any spiff or coupon promotion whatsoever that's attached to a certain device selecting a certain plan, the software is going to automatically pick up that discount, which is going to help you guys get rid of any type of mistakes that are done when you are discounting off devices. We're going to go ahead and click on Add to Cart on the top right side, where you guys are going to be taken to a preview of an invoice. Now the description says that we're charging $25 for the activation fee. That's $269 for the actual device, $60 from the plan, $5 from an add-on, bringing you up to $386.99. These are my taxes. Now we're going to go ahead and select checkout on the top right side of the screen. Now, before we run the actual activation, we're going to make sure we charge the customer first. This is going to help you guys not have any surprises when you do have an activation or make an activation, and then you want to charge the customer and they end up maybe not having the money. This is why we do it this way, and it's going to help you guys a lot. So we're going to go ahead and type in the amount that we're handed by the customer, which is $400. And select the form of payment. That's going to bring us to 1301 for change. So now we're going to go ahead and select complete on the top right. Once you do that, your activation platform is going to automatically pop out. And what you guys are going to do now is make the activation as you always have done it before. Nothing changes whatsoever. Once you do process the activation, you're going to get put the phone number here for the new line that we just activated. And what you're going to do next is select your payment platform. In this case, it's going to be ePay, where you guys are going to process the payment for the new line. Once you finish that step, you want to make sure that you put the transaction ID, because this is what's going to help you guys reconcile your commissions in the future. It's going to help you make sure that the carrier you're working with, doesn't matter who it is actually paying you back and reimbursing you on every discounted device that you sell. So once that's done, guys, we're going to go ahead and click complete on the top right side of the screen, where you guys are going to have the option to print the customer a thermal receipt, 8.5 by 11 receipt, or better yet, you can text message their invoice, and this is how you'll be able to enroll every customer that comes in onto your texting campaigns, where you can later on let them know the discounts that they might be eligible for, with the intention of increasing your customer revenue and your sales. So what I would do is text message the invoice to increase possible sales in the future. And that's it, guys. we're done. We're finished. If you guys run into any questions in an activation process, go ahead and click on the link on the bottom link for the chat. Type in your question. Let us know what's going on. Either myself or one of my colleagues are going to assist you within a minute and get you guys a solution guaranteed. Well, once again, my name is Roy Castillo. Don't hesitate to reach out if any doubts, and please make it a great day, guys. We'll be in touch. Goodbye.